everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see the issue where we are not able to move to the next cell using the arrow key. For example, if I am on cell B4 and I use my arrow key to move to cell C4, it doesn't move. Instead, it moves the whole sheet. The reason behind this issue is that the scroll lock key is locked. To unlock that key, we can go on our on-screen keyboard. On our on-screen keyboard, we can see this scroll lock key which is currently pressed. We have to press this again and it unlocks the key. Let's test it again. So I'm on cell B4 and if I use my arrow key, now I can move to cell C4. So the easiest solution for this problem is to go to the online keyboard and click scroll lock key, and that will resolve your issue. That's all for this video.